YouTube! How you guys doing today? It's Mike.
This is Jenny.
Pratt Family Homestead. Friday vlog day. Technically, this is Thursday night, but it's after midnight, so it's Friday. And TJ had the great idea that we should start the Friday vlog now.
Yep.
We've been out doing hay. It's way past midnight. The kids just went to bed. And who knows when we'll get up tomorrow. And we got more hay to pick up tomorrow. We got all kinds of stuff. So, this is the start of the vlog. And we're just saying hi, Dad. See you in the morning, guys. Alright, guys. It's Friday. We're doing the vlog stuff. We're up on the hill picking up hay. And I noticed my swarm trap has some bees. How awesome is that?
Friday vlog!
Grace, are you helping with the hay?
No, and watch this. No. Watch. You see how it's down?
Yeah.
Boom.
Boom,
Yeah.
baby.
And can you?
How's hay going, brother? You love doing hay.
No, I don't.
How you doing, Mom? What are your feelings about hay?
Oh, not a fan. Not a fan at all.
I thought there was a monster coming out of the woods.
There is a monster coming out of the woods.
She is having a hay day out here.
Ooh, hardy har.
All right, we got like half a trailer loaded so far today, and I'm whooped.
Yep, we're done. Can we be done? Break time yet?
I don't think there's as much hay to get as yesterday.
And still, I only helped with 3 loads yesterday.
Yeah, about what, 2 hours?
Yeah. I'm already done.
Taking the first load in. It's actually kind of a small load. Grace, turn the red knob down a little. There you go. Where's Georgie? Come on, Georgie! There she is. Gonna go drop this off in the barn and come get another one. Oh! Got something for you. Boom! Got Jenny driving the tractor. Okay. Okay. Why? Alright. What are you kids doing?
Playing.
Playing on my tractor? Wait, who's been driving my tractor?
Me.
Mom. Uh-oh. Here we go. We've got this trailer loaded up higher than we have so far. Trying to make a last push here. Jenny and 3 of the kids have to leave here in a minute?
2.
3.
3.
Yeah, 3.
And then just Andrew and I are going to be here. Andrew and I got to go to his t-ball game in a little bit. I said it right.
Wait, isn't it supposed to... There's an airplane up on the sky. And I thought it was 4 people going there. Mom, Grace.
Well, yeah.
I said mom and 3 kids.
Yeah. We got 3 kids.
All right, so we're going to finish picking this up here real quick. I probably got probably one more trailer to come back out and get. What's kind of interesting is this row here we weren't really planning on picking up because it stays so wet next to the tree line. It doesn't get any sun during the day. And every year, just about every year, closer this way, we rolled into the woods as waste. Because it usually ends up not drying and getting rained on. But it's actually pretty dry. So I'll probably bring the trailer out and pick up more after we get this one unloaded. Andrew. That's close to 2 acres of hay. It was all the way up there. It's obviously been compacting on itself. It's a lot of hay. We're gonna try and get this whole trailer load in there also. Second cut of the year will go over there. And if we get a third, it'll go over here. But we might not be able to get all this into here. So we might have to put it in the second cut area. Where are you going, young lady? Where are you going?
To the Toledo Zoo for Girl Scouts.
What are you guys doing? Just gonna hang out at the zoo today or what?
We're gonna eat dinner there and then we're gonna spend the night.
Awesome! All right, sweet. Where are you going?
To baseball game.
You guys are abandoning me.
Yep. And
Good luck at your baseball game. You have fun and you be naughty for mom.
I'm going to Harry's to Mama.
Ooh, nice.
Baby, wake up.
All right, babe. Thanks for leaving me with the hay. It started raining.
I saw it misting. I don't think it still is.
I don't think it is either. I might go pick up another load, maybe. All right.
Drew seems pretty excited to help you.
All right. I love you.
Love you too.
All right, so it started raining on me out there, and this is all I got loaded up. But that's fine. We gotta get going to Andrew's softball here real shortly. So the other load, I'll go show you the other load, is sitting in the barn where I cannot unload this one right now. So just pull it into the big commercial barn here. Stay nice and dry in here. All right, we gotta get going. I got the hay pile unloaded right here. We still gotta stack it all the way up there. I can show you a video that I took yesterday of how we unload the hay. I'll show you that right now. Together.
Me too.
Now look at all that hay you boys have to put away.
No.
Who else is?
No one. No one's doing
No,
it.
if you guys are taking a break, you can go ahead and turn it off, DJ.
Take hold, back up a little bit. Get that back up. Hey, back up some. Up, point back up. Ryan, back up a little bit. Luke, get up.
You got it, Andrew.
Good.
Oh, almost. Nice hit.
Wow! What a stud!
Andrew, good hit, bud. Got Andrew back on first. He likes playing first. That's where all the action is. Good hit.
Wow! Wow! What a hit!
Track race. All right, Amelia, don't fight over it. Get on your skateboard. Get on your skateboard. There you go. Right to his chest. Good throw. Good throw.
Good job touching the base, Boo.
Run it out. Hustle, hustle. Right down the line. Base.
So you did excellent at T-ball again tonight. And again, just like last week, it's only me and you tonight again, huh?
Uh-huh.
So we came back out to eat again at the same exact place, didn't we? What do you think you're going to get?
I don't know. I can't even find the kids' meal.
All right, we're going to check it out. I think I'm getting ribs, though, because some ribs sound really good. Feel like I'm in the movie, what is it, Birds or The Birds by Alfred Hitchcock? Old movie.
Hi.
They're all waiting for us to get out of the barn so they can get back in all their nests.
Can I? Well, they'll come anyway. But I want to show you something. And I want to if I move. I want to show you. Once one goes in its nest, look in that nest it went in.
Oh, I know. I know what you're talking about, bud. But they seem a little agitated right now. It's going to be a little while before they go in, I think.